Hello, trade show vendors. Are you stuck with dim, flickering, or power-hungry lighting that makes your booth look dull? Struggling with no good way to mount your lights, leaving them wobbly, sagging, and cluttered with wires? Or maybe even tripped a breaker because your light draws a crazy amount of power for not enough light? Here at Show Off Lighting, we see talented vendors with incredible products get overlooked because their booth just blends into the shadows. It doesn't matter if you're showcasing stunning jewelry or vibrant artwork. If your lighting isn't right, your booth won't stand out. But now, there's a better way. Meet Show Off Lighting's 6 and 8 foot LED light bars. Featuring warm and cool LEDs drawing just 7 watts per bulb, these lights deliver a stunning natural white light. Male and female ends slide together with a locking pin for tool-free assembly. And our handmade stands with integrated power heads keep the cables clutter-free. Our LED light bars are designed for ultimate flexibility. The clips on our handmade stand pivot, letting you adjust the beam direction for perfect lighting. Each stand has 3 power sockets to support multiple light bars, signage, or charging your phone, keeping your setup clutter-free. Plus, interchangeable bulbs let you fine-tune the color spectrum and white balance, ensuring a vibrant illumination for any product. Our LED light bars combine warm and cool LEDs for a natural sun-balanced look, as if the sun itself was shining over your booth outside. Each bulb draws 7 watts of power, delivering beautiful natural white glow, ideal for your products. You can even interchange the bulbs, 3000 Kelvin and 6000 Kelvin, to customize the color spectrum to be more cool or warm. Show Off Lighting's LED light bars and stands are handcrafted in Charlotte, North Carolina, designed for effortless setup. With integrated power heads for a clutter-free look, they're lightweight and durable, making your booth setup a breeze. Don't let lighting be a trade show hassle. Make your booth shine bright. Visit www.ledtradeshowlights.net or call us anytime to light up your next event.